Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Gloria Ann, and today I'm going to be doing a very highly requested video. You guys loved my makeup look in my last video, so I'm going to go ahead and recreate it here. And as you can see, I'm in a new place. I just moved into my first apartment with my fiance. I'm so excited, and yeah, so if you guys want an apartment tour, let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely get that for you because we're like, I don't know, everything is everywhere. This is like the only place that is clean and, well, I'm not gonna say clean, but it's the only place that is presentable at this time. I'm starting off on a clean and moisturized face. I'm going in with my primer. It's supposed to bring radiance to your face and it has pure gold in it. It feels really smooth. This actually feels like a gel moisturizer. I'm going to go in with my Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. I've been trying to find my correct shade in this foundation for so long, and this is the closest that I've gotten. It actually doesn't look that bad on camera. Okay, I need to damp this beauty blender, so I'll be right back. Yeah, this looks like a really good match for me. I was doubting it at first because when I swatched it, it looked too red. I love the finish. It's so soft and it doesn't look like I have anything on. It just looks like I have really good skin. And that's the look that I always go for. I never go for a cakey look. And I'm surprised. I usually do my eyebrows first, but I don't know. I guess I'm in a new place and new things are happening. This is a first. Since I didn't do this first, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. My makeup never turns out the same when I do my eyebrows second. It's like when I do my eyebrows first, everything just comes together nicely because my face is already framed. And by the way, I'm using Benefit's, what is this? It is the KaBrow by Benefit. I love this dip. I actually love it better than Anastasia's Dip Brow. And I'm using the color 6. And I know my eyebrows are looking a bit harsh right now, but just chill, it's gonna get better. Quick tip, I always use MC45 on the bottom to conceal, which is a lighter color, and then I go in with MC50 on the top, just because it blends better with my foundation and it doesn't look so, what's the word that I'm looking for? It doesn't look so halo. And there's nothing wrong with halo brows if that's the look that you're going for, but I like a more natural look. So once you fill in your eyebrows and shape them to your liking and you put the concealer on, the concealer is what really saves the brows. Now I'm just going back in with my beauty blender, the one that I use for my foundation, and I'm just going to get rid of that concealer that is just, you know, going a little bit too high. Once that's done, I'm going in with my MAC NC45. I love applying this concealer with my finger just because it's so easy. You don't have to do it this way, but it feels better, and I don't know, I feel like it melts into my skin easier than a brush, and it just looks more natural. I know you guys are tired of hearing me say that, but I'm not a makeup artist and I don't do like the beat face. Well, my face do be beat sometimes, but you know, most of the time it's like a natural beat. Unless it's a holiday or a special occasion, then I'm going all out. I'm watching everybody's tutorial trying to figure out how. Yeah, that's the great thing about YouTube. Everybody can just be themselves and share what they do and learn from each other. Because if it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't know how to do my makeup. And I wouldn't have you guys to tell me to check out certain products. Once I have that, then I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup to set my concealer. And now I'm just patting that into my skin. Now I'm going to take my Mercier translucent medium deep powder, and I'm just going to gently brush my face where my foundation is. And this is just going to set my foundation. It's getting hot outside and I don't want my face to be melting. And I like to do it lightly because I still want that dewy look, but you know, I don't want my foundation moving everywhere. So to bronze, I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder. This is in the color Dark 3. And I'm using this to bring back warmth into my face. You know, because nobody want to be out here looking crazy. Forehead. I heard somebody say 5 head. I know my forehead is big and I love my 5 head, so yes. Once that's done, I'm going to take my MAC Blunt and I'm going to use this to contour the sides of my nose. But really, it's not really contouring to me. It's more like bringing definition back into my nose, because I don't contour my nose like that. I mean, it's probably called contouring, but I'm not trying to change the shape of my nose. I'm just trying to bring color back, you know, so that it doesn't look all flat. Ain't nothing wrong with contouring that nose though. I remember when I used to be into it, it just didn't work for me. I didn't like how it looked on me. I didn't even like how it looked when makeup artists did it on me. I don't know, I guess it's gonna take that one makeup artist to just do it and do it right, so that I can really enjoy the feeling of having a snatched nose. But I like my nose. My nose is already snatched to me, so. And that's what I love about makeup. Like, you don't have to use it to change who you are. You can just enhance yourself. That's why I just get so mad when people be like, you don't love yourself because you put on makeup. Like, go somewhere, like, chill out. Since my face is all powdered up, I'm going to go ahead and set this first. A makeup artist actually taught me this step, to just go ahead and set it when you have your powder on, just so that it can, you know, set. And I used their Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. It just sets your makeup on all day and all night. Now for the eyes. First I'm going to go in with the Nubian 2 by Juvias Place. And I'm taking this orange color, this beautiful orange. This is like my favorite color in the whole palette. I'm just going to pop that into my crease. I just think this orange is such a beautiful color. And this is my first time actually doing a talk through video on my channel, I think. So if you like this type of video, especially for makeup, or even if you want me to do it for hair, like this video so that I know that you guys like these types of videos, because I can definitely create more, especially since I'm in my own apartment now. I don't have to worry about people making noise. That's why I love doing voiceovers. I got this amount of time and I need to tell these people what I'm doing, so now I can just, you know, do it while I'm doing it. So I hope that made sense. Now I'm moving on to my Deck of Scarlet palette. This is the Dream palette, and look at this. I just love how this palette looks. It's so cute and I love the material. It feels so good. And when you open it up, you have lip colors over here, and then on this side you have the face and the eyes. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be going in with this color right here. This is what I used in the picture and I absolutely love this color. When I used it, because I was using it for the first time, I was like, ooh, yes, this is me. Like, come on, give me life. This palette is so pigmented and I was shocked. Like, I wasn't expecting the colors to pop this hard, but girl, like, come on. So now I'm just going back in with that orange color and blending the two colors out together to make sure everything is looking like a gradient effect, you know. And I'm taking the same deep purplish colors, like a deep pink, purple, I'm not sure. I'm not good at describing colors because I've been making up my own words. But I'm taking that color and I'm going to dust the bottom lash. And now I'm just going over that with that same orange color and kind of just reiterating the orange. Now from this palette, I'm taking this very shimmery metallic color called Enchanted, and I'm going to pop this in the inner corner. And now I'm taking my beauty blender again and I'm just going to clean up. I didn't put anything on it. I'm just using what's already on there and just cleaning up that area so that it doesn't look too messy. To highlight, I'm going in with my Becca highlighter. This is in the color Chocolate Geode. And now I'm going back in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and I'm going to set everything. And once you do this step, everything is just going to come together. I literally draw myself in setting spray just because, girl, like, just try it and you'll see, like, it's a difference. Did you guys know I had lashes? Like, these are the only lashes that I be rocking when y'all be asking, like, what lashes are those? is Passion by me and collabs with KaBrow Cosmetics. It's these right here. These bad boys are so pretty. They're cruelty free, they're 3D minks, so yeah, check them out. I have everything that I'm using in this tutorial in the description below, so I'll leave links where you can find everything. And yeah, while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm going in with this lip gloss by Becca Scarlet. This lip gloss smells like cake batter. I am so hungry right now. Alright, so since I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start on my hair. I'm going to use this Jamaican black castor oil with coconut in it and just put it on my fingers so that I can take my flat twists down. I believe that flat twists are so much better than two-strand twists just because they're easier, they're faster to do, and when you take them down, you don't have to do any separating. Everything is just right there in place, and all you need to do is just fluff your hair out. That's it. And since we are here, listen, fake outrage is the worst. Like, I'm still gonna use my Echo Style gel. First of all, nobody should be using Echo Style on their hair to style their hair every single day. And I thought we all knew that Echo Style was not a natural product. Like, I thought we all knew that, but I guess not. I guess everybody's just, you know, just now finding out. Fake outrage is the worst. I'm still using Echo Style gel. Can't nobody tell me otherwise. It's the only gel that lay my hair down. So I just got a quick question. So for y'all that's canceling Echo Style gel, y'all not eating McDonald's, right? Like, y'all not drinking water too, right? I mean, it's a certain type of water y'all drinking, right? Y'all not just drinking regular water, right? Do not hop on the bandwagon every time something happens. I like the fact that the awareness is here, because obviously people just are now realizing that Echo Style is not natural. Just know that your girl is still going to use Echo Style gel. Anywho, to finish this look, I'm going in with my favorite scent. This is from PinRose, Sun Saint. This stuff smells so good. You can find this at Sephora. And I'm just going to put it on the palms and on the neck area and just wipe it all in. It just smells so good. I highly recommend this scent, especially for summer coming up. It's just perfect. The bottle is so cute. It's so aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, definitely check out PinRose if you haven't. It's one of my favorite fragrances. So you guys, this is the final look. It's very natural on the face and bold on the eyes. It's perfect for spring and summer. It's super easy, and you can wear this during the day and not look crazy. So yeah, again, if you like these type of videos where I'm just, you know, sitting down talking with y'all, because we homies, you know, y'all are like my family and friends. So if you like these type of videos, thumbs this video up so that I know and I can create more. I love watching these type of videos, but I don't know if y'all like watching these type of videos. So yeah, just let me know. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye.